Hi everyone, today I've got some goodies to share. Super exciting. This is a brand new bag from one of my favorite brands, Parisa Wang, and also some gorgeous pieces of jewelry from Gingerberry. Now, Gingerberry is only one of two jewelry brands that I've continued to partner with over the years because the other ones I wasn't really impressed, so I just stopped working with them. And also, I'm very particular about certain styles because I love jewelry and I'm not going to just wear anything. So here I'm wearing this dainty new bracelet that was sent to me by Gingerberry. It's called the Radiant Echo bracelet. It's 14K solid gold with a lab-grown diamond in the center. It is super sweet. All of their bracelets and necklaces, at least the ones I've tried, are adjustable. So it's really nice because you don't have to fuss about getting the sizing right. It is universal. You can pull this little ball here and make it tighter or looser. So this style is perfect for the minimalist, but you can also stack it with other bracelets if you wanted to have a more bold statement, right? But Gingerberry is really known for mostly their pearls. They've kind of exploded on the scene because of their high quality pearls and their accessible prices. So this ring right here is so pretty. I love how it's open. Do y'all remember this ring? I've had it for a couple of years now. It's also an open ring. I usually get a size 6 for either my index finger or my middle finger, kind of interchangeable. This is a sterling silver one, but I was so happy to see that they released a brand new pearl ring with gold. Even the band is cut so beautifully. You can see how the light hits the sparkles and the detail on the band here. This is 18K solid gold. This is called the ORLENA ring, and it's got AAA grade Akoya pearls. So beautiful. Look at that luster. I have never been disappointed with the quality of pearls from Gingerberry. In fact, Gingerberry is the brand that put me onto pearls, and now I love to mix and match them. The founder of the brand's name is Emily, and she's a graduate from the Birmingham School of Jewelry, and she's also a certified gemologist. Gingerberry is still kind of a new brand, up and coming over the last few years. These are so pretty. Look at the dangly effect, and again, the intricate detail on the gold here. So these are called the FLORALIS earrings. Again, AAA grade pearls. These are Aurora pearls. So beautiful against the solid gold. Once again, 18K. This is how it would go. Voila! So pretty. And finally, the VIRELLI necklace. This one here is AA grade Aurora pearls. And I'm going to show you, it is so interesting. This is a necklace, okay? But it is not just a necklace. First of all, it is adjustable again, right? The necklaces and bracelets are made to be adjustable. So you can pull it with this little ball here. So cute that they have a little pearl on the end. And then this looks like a smile. You've got 7 beautiful pearls set within 14 karat solid gold. And look, they adjust. So the little gold balls here, can you see them? Those are going to hold the pearls in place. So you can actually move them further apart. The pearls can go all the way up. And I just love playful jewelry designs like this. It just makes it more versatile, more interesting, right? And it's kind of like getting a 2-in-1 type of necklace because you get one look and you get a different look and you get to switch it up depending on your mood and your outfit and decide how you want to wear it that day. And Gingerberry pieces always come with their own certificate. So inside here, under this gold foil sticker, is a certificate of authenticity for each piece. So definitely check out the Gingerberry website if you haven't already. You're going to see some beautiful designs. I feel like they're the modern day pearl brand, but with the old school craftsmanship. Now, I always have a 15% off promo code available to you guys. It's Hannah15, but now you can combine it with the Black Friday and Christmas promotions. And just so you know, they do offer free shipping and 30-day free returns, as well as a 3-year warranty on their craftsmanship. Now, for that big blue box from Parisa Wang, I have this bag. Yes. Oh my gosh, gorgeous burgundy smooth leather Gabrielle East-West. You guys remember when I reviewed the suede version and I thought it was so beautiful, and I love the design, the silhouette, the longer, the elongated handles here. I just thought it was so minimalist and very chic. But I said at that time that I wish that they had come out with a non-suede leather version because suede is kind of seasonal and I would love a bag that's all season. Well, they've come out with this, and look at this beautiful color, you guys. Burgundy is the color of the season, but it's also great for all year round. It goes with so many neutrals. I've already carried this bag. I have my stuff inside it. Also, Parisa Wang thought to include this little tab here, which I showed in some of my older videos. Yes, it is to hold the straps in place, especially when you want to store it so that it doesn't droop down. But when I'm carrying the bag, I don't use this with me. Let me give you a really good close look. You've got the extended zippers and a magnet here hidden. It says Parisa Wang, New York. This is a New York City based brand. Love supporting local brands. Here you have a little lock. It's actually like a fake lock. Yeah, you just pull it. There's no key and secure it in place. It also has 4 feet on the bottom, so that's going to protect the base of the bag. It feels really smooth. It's a gorgeous choice of color and also leather for this style. So you've got the 2 zipper pulls extended. And by the way, this brand was created by Parisa Wang. This is her namesake brand back in, I think, 2016. So it's just been about a decade, not even. I have some dark chocolate peanut butter cups in here as my little snack. I've already eaten 2 of them. I have this bag full because I used it last few days. I told you I'm going to use this bag a lot. So Parisa Wang, she worked in a variety of different big luxury fashion houses for about 10 years. And she realized that with all the expensive luxury handbags out there, she couldn't get one for herself. And she thought, why should luxury feel out of reach? And she wanted to design something that was accessible, but also really high quality. And so she came up with her own line of handbags, and the rest is history. So I've got my little coin purse with my earbuds. I've got this little notebook because I'm always writing. This happens to be from the hotel we stayed at in Paris most recently. And this is just a little Chanel samples pouch that I use for my feminine hygiene products. Very discreet. I've shown that before. Of course, my little Twin Stars pouch with everything from little pills and lotion and lipstick to my travel size perfume, band-aids, hair tie. This is just my everything pouch. And then I've got my little Kirigami as my wallet. This is a very spacious, elongated shape. So I've got my LV key pouch. I've got my little Clementine from Maison de Sabre with my Manuka honey drops. And I've got my Bible. I actually use this bag for church. And I've got a pen. This is a little My Melody. Cute, right? So this is what it looks like on the inside, matching burgundy lining. There is one open compartment here, so you can slip some receipts or something flat and small like a Metro card. And then, oh, these are papers from church, actually. So there's a hidden magnet, and so you can store papers or whatever you need. You can also put your phone, and they're on both sides, so it's really nice to have those extra compartments. It's like having a back pocket, but not really on the back. They're hidden inside, and there are 2 of them. And by the way, if you wanted to see how a phone fits in the side compartment, this is the phone case for an iPhone Pro Max, which is the largest size on the market. And voila, it's hidden, it's stored nicely, and it's really easy to access. So I'm going to put everything back in because I know I'm going to use this bag again. I have been really enjoying it, and I have some exciting news. Again, because it's the holiday season, a lot of brands are doing some huge promotions. Now with Parisa Wang, they've always made a promo code available to my viewers, and that was Hannah12. Now that's still valid. Hannah12 will get you 12% off, but they're actually doing a whole holiday sale, and those of you who are watching this video will get early access, and you can use a new code, which is just Hannah. You will get a whopping 20% off. Yes, 20% off site-wide on any of their bags, and they've got many gorgeous bags. So actually, access to the holiday sale starts officially on their website on November 20th. But for my community, for those of you who are watching this video, you get early access, which means right now, as soon as you see this video, you can use my code Hannah and get the 20% off. If you go onto the Parisa Wang website, or if you're already familiar with the brand and you own something from them, you'll know that their prices are very reasonable, okay? Especially compared to the big name luxury brands out there. So that means that with the 20% off, you're going to get an even better deal for a bag like this. It is so pretty. Look at the zipper, the handles, the silhouette, and this color burgundy is so pretty with all of my neutrals, with gray, with camel brown, with black. With denims, it's going with everything so nicely that it's kind of a no-brainer for this season. And for some reason, if you're not feeling the burgundy, which I can't imagine because it's so pretty, but if you're not, there are other colors available now in the smooth leather, although I think that they are selling out and then restocking and then selling out and restocking. So if you're sure you want a specific color, definitely take advantage of the 20% off early access and order the one that you want before the holiday rush. Before I close out the video, I've actually emptied the bag completely just because I wanted to weigh it for you guys. It feels quite light and really comfortable on the shoulder, but just in case, so it's coming in at 19.58 ounces, okay? 19.58 ounces. And I really love the elongated straps here. It's so comfortable on the shoulder. You could also do crook of the arm, but it's really comfortable on the shoulder. I feel like it's also just really balanced because of the elongated silhouette on the bag. The elongated straps just, it makes sense. I feel like it's one of the prettiest, if not the prettiest, East-West style bags that I've seen so far. All right, so as the holidays are approaching and you might be making your Christmas wish list or a gift list for those in your life who you want to surprise with a bag or jewelry, I say definitely branch out, explore the lesser known brands, explore the smaller up and coming brands. Do not just limit yourself to those big names that everyone knows, because it's a lot more fun, I promise you, when you start to mix and match and you discover new brands that offer quality and value. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll put additional information down below in my description box so you don't have to go hunting for it. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.